Are you looking for an easy and effective way to keep your toothbrush clean? Hydrogen peroxide is a natural disinfectant with powerful antibacterial properties that can be used to effectively clean and sanitize your toothbrush. In this video, we'll discuss how hydrogen peroxide can be used to clean a toothbrush, the benefits of doing so, and some tips on the best way to use it. Hydrogen peroxide is one of the most widely used disinfectants because it's safe, non-toxic, and very effective in killing bacteria. It also breaks down quickly into water and oxygen, which means it won't leave any residue behind after being used. To use hydrogen peroxide as a toothbrush cleaner, fill a cup or bowl with 3% hydrogen peroxide solution, the kind you buy at drugstores. Then submerge your toothbrush in it for 30 minutes or longer before rinsing off with cold water. This will kill any germs on the bristles that could potentially cause you harm if not removed properly. It is not recommended to leave your toothbrush in hydrogen peroxide overnight. What sets hydrogen peroxide apart from other cleaning agents is its ability to kill germs without leaving behind any residue, making it ideal for cleaning items like your toothbrush. Hydrogen peroxide is an effective antifungal agent and can be used to kill Candida on a toothbrush. Using hydrogen peroxide as a cleaning agent for your toothbrush is an easy yet effective way to keep them free from harmful bacteria while avoiding harsh chemicals found in other cleaners. Just make sure you rinse off the bristles thoroughly before using them again. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. As always, consult with your dentist before making any changes in your lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos.